Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there's a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But what is it? So today's product is basically an LED light fan that you can hang on the ceiling. It is a nice low profile fan. As you can see on the box here, it works with Google Assistant and Alexa and Tugga, I guess. So I don't know, I'm not sure what that is, but it does work with the smart devices out there. It has lots of features on it. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed so you can see what it looks like, and then let's go over all the features, settings, and how well it works. Okay guys, let's go over some of the basic features and installation. So installation was a breeze. Just remove your old light fixture, and then you're going to put on the mounting clip. Simply twist on the new fixture. It took me a total of about 8 minutes to install the fixture. So really simple and really quick. Now I want to go over the light details itself. So this light is about 20 inches wide, and it sticks off the ceiling a little over 6 inches from when I measured it. Now the fan itself has 6 different fan speeds, and it is also reversible, which you will be able to control via the remote or even your cell phone by downloading the app, which we will play over in the corner of the screen. Now, it says that this fan is designed for rooms of 14 feet to 16 feet wide, and it'll provide airflow. I'm not sure it's going to really go that far. Like, you can feel the fan air flowing underneath it in a good about 6 foot radius, but obviously you get away from that, you're not feeling that direct, but it is providing that good circulation, which is what you really want to look for. Now, it does connect to your home Wi-Fi, which is how you're going to be able to use that app, and you can set it up to smart devices like Google and Amazon's. But to do so, please note that you need to hook it up to the 2.4 gigahertz signal on your router, not the 5 gigahertz, depending on the router type you have. Also, via the app, you can set it up for a timer, schedule. You can do all these different lighting modes with the multiple lights that it has. So it really gives you a ton of flexibility and options on the different lighting, the schedules, and how you'd want to set it up, which is pretty awesome. Now, on the front of the fan, the grill part, that can be removed if you want to clean off dust, if it happens to get dusty over time. So they did think about cleaning it, makes it extra easy to clean by just removing it. You don't have to take down the whole fan itself. Now, I do want to talk about the lighting features itself, so let's go over that now. So on the top, you can see it has this really cool different glow that lets you change in multiple RGB color options. Through the app, you have literally a ton of color selections on the rainbow. On the remote, it cycles through a handful of colors, which just gives it this clubbing effect to it. On the bottom side, you have this nice basically what I will call your regular light, and it can be operated separately. That light will dim up and down, so it has a lot of dimming options, and it also has very different color options, so you can have that warm candlelight light, or you can make it more like the daylight, which is that bright white kind of lighting. But I do want to stress, once again, the lighting can be controlled separate, so you can have that up lighting on by itself with the down lighting off. You can have the down lighting on, or you can have both on, where you have the down light and the up lights, which just gives you a lot of cool looks and features to play with. Okay, so I want to show you kind of the remote real quick. You have the different dimming options and then the different color changes. The little moon button, this will actually turn it on to kind of like a night mode, so where the light dims down. You can turn off the fan, and then this button in the middle will reverse it. On the side, you have the fan speeds, and then you have a 2-hour, 4-hour timer if you want. So the remote does have a ton of little options for you. And you'll notice when you hang it up, like the light looks good, and then you can turn on the fan and reverse the different speeds, which we are showing right here. Okay guys, that is everything with this cool fan light. Like I said, it's very versatile. It has that awesome LED glow around the top. It has the color changing features on the bottom side, and then of course it has the awesome fan, all controllable by a remote control or by your voice assistant. If there was something that I did not mention or cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.